What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rainer here from PASSIONBUILT. Today's video is brought to you by MotoPartsSource.com, your online source for high quality used parts for your first or second generation Suzuki SV650. Let's get today's video started. So, as you saw from the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your Magneto, the cover, and the stator all together. The stator and the cover actually come off as one piece. The Magneto is actually in the bottom end, and you're going to need a specialty tool that usually you have to go to the dealership, some type of Suzuki dealership to order, or order it online. However, you can go to your local Ace Hardware and pick one of these up. I don't actually know the exact thread pitch off the top of my head, but I make sure that I do include it in this video when I find it. So pick this up from my local hardware store for I think about $7. So save me a little bit of money and makes disassembling these engines and getting that Magneto off so much easier. So let's get started. So to get started with the install, I'm going to go ahead and remove the 10 bolts that are holding in the Magneto and stator cover in place. These are all 8 mils and super easy to remove, so let's get those out of the way. Alrighty, so now we got the cover off. We're gonna go ahead and we have access to the Magneto itself. If you look inside, you're gonna see 6 Allen bolts that do not get removed. So for right now, the main focus is removing the center bolt. Once the center bolt's removed, we can go ahead and bring the big boy out, and that will push the Magneto off. So let's get that center bolt out, and we'll get this one on. We'll get this job done. So now that we got the center bolt out, go ahead and put that to the side for now. We're gonna go ahead and use the big boy I was telling you about earlier. Like I said, you don't have to buy this from a Suzuki dealer. You can buy this at your local hardware store. I got this from an Ace Hardware. I do not have the specs for it. I will put it in the description below so you can pick one up yourself. Anyway, to get started with this, we're gonna go ahead and just start threading this in by hand. Once it's threaded in as far as you could thread it in by hand, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna hit it with the impact. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the socket put on there. It's gonna be a 30 mil, and we're gonna go ahead and get this sucker off there. And just like that, she comes off. And once that's off of there, you're gonna have to remove this half moon. Now there's multiple ways that you can remove this. You don't ever wanna scratch the journal surfaces or anything like that. You always wanna make sure that this is a nice smooth surface. So what I usually do is take a hammer with a screwdriver and just lightly tap the edge of it until it pushes its way out, and then the flywheel itself will come off with no issues at all. So there you go, half moon's off, and that will now allow the flywheel to be removed without any force or anything. So should be able just to put my hand on it and lightly pull it off. And that is how you remove your flywheel and Magneto from your Suzuki SV650. Now this is the same process for the first and second generation Suzuki SV650. In the US, that's 1999 to 2009. So thank you for watching today's video. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you would like to see more SV content in the future, smash that subscribe button. And as always, I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.